Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fresh and natural makeup. Forget the heavy contouring and over-the-top looks. We're all about enhancing your natural beauty for a timeless style. Let's get started. First up, flawless skin. Prep your face with a hydrating primer. This creates a smooth base for your makeup and helps it last. Next, opt for a light coverage foundation or a tinted moisturizer. The goal is to even out your skin tone, not to completely mask your face. If you have any blemishes or dark spots, spot conceal with a creamy concealer. Now, for the eyes. Keep it simple. A touch of eyeshadow can make a huge difference. Choose neutral shades like browns, taupes, or a soft peach. Apply a wash of color across your eyelid and blend well. Then, lightly define your lash line with a brown or black eyeliner. Smudge it out for a softer look. Finish with a coat of mascara to open up your eyes. If you're feeling bold, you can add a touch of shimmer on the inner corner of your eyes to make them pop. Moving on to the cheeks. Blush is your best friend for a fresh, healthy glow. Choose a blush color that complements your skin tone. For fair skin, try a soft pink or peach. For medium skin, try a rose or berry shade. And for deeper skin tones, try a coral or bronze. Apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards towards your temples. Next up, the lips. Keep your lip color natural. A tinted lip balm or a nude lipstick is perfect for this look. You can also use a lip stain for a long-lasting color. If you want a little more definition, line your lips with a lip liner that matches your natural lip color. This will prevent your lipstick from feathering and make your lips look fuller. Finally, set your makeup. Use a translucent setting powder to set your foundation and concealer. This will help your makeup last all day and prevent shine. You can also use a setting spray for extra staying power. And that's it. You've achieved a fresh and natural makeup look that enhances your natural beauty. Remember, less is more. The key to this look is to enhance your features, not to cover them up. Embrace your natural beauty, and let your confidence shine through. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips. See you in the next one.